You've probably walked by this in your grocery store many times and had no idea what the heck it is. Armenian string cheese. Right, Mom?
That's correct.
Okay, we're gonna show you how you can incorporate this little guy into your next dinner function, cocktail party, the whole 9 yards, and impress your friends and make your family real happy. Right?
That's right, especially since you don't slice it. You do it something different, and you put it at a very nice dish in the middle of the table, and people will be very impressed.
And we'll show you what to do right now.
Okay.
All right, so we're just gonna open up the package and just get this guy out. This is a whole milk cheese. It's very mild, and I wanted to show you this. It comes braided. How they do it, I don't know. It is, as I said, super mild, and I'm gonna show Mom a trick. Mama old school probably hasn't done it like this, right? Have you taken it apart
Well, yeah.
and done it all like that? Huh?
Yeah.
Or did you learn something from your son?
I cut it even more than that.
Oh yeah, well, we're gonna do it just like this. I'm gonna
All
give
right,
you half,
That's how I do it too,
and you
honey.
give me half.
Okay.
Okay? And basically, all you're gonna do is just undo these braids and make the strings. Just one at a time, you just kind of let it go, and we're gonna keep doing this until we have a nice big mound of cheese. It has these little black, I think they are black caraway seeds, commonly known, but I think they're genetic term, Nigella seeds. And they give it a really nice, mild flavor. And it is just something that is so unique. Like I said, you can use it at a cocktail party, like Mama Old School said. It's gonna be a big pile. People come, they take a little bit, put it on their plate, and it's absolutely delicious and fun. Kids love it. It's kind of like string cheese on steroids. And it's a lot of fun. The kids get a kick out of doing this too.
In the old days, all my neighbors used to love this.
Ah, when they came to the cocktail parties at the old school house, right?
That's right.
All right.
And they would ask, always ask, are you ever gonna have your cheese?
Now, you gotta put it up here. You see you're pulling it forward. They can't even see you, but that's okay.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
We'll show you the finished result in a nice big pile.
Well, they have to see how you get to the big pile, you know?
That's it.
See, I do it a lot thinner than you.
Well, I'm not done yet, Ma. I
Oh,
gotta
I'm
keep
so
going.
sorry,
I'm just
I'm so
saying,
sorry.
people don't want to wait for us to do this. It's gonna take 7-8 minutes.
Well, you can do a little bit.
Okay, well, they're seeing you do it, Ma. We'll be
Right,
right back.
That's why I'm doing it.
All right, guys, there you have it. There is the finished product. And the only thing that's probably not good with this is that it takes a while to make it look like this. But at your party, you can put out a little pair of tongs. We're family. We just use our fingers and go just like that. And that's how easy it is. And this is something that your friends will say, wow, next to the cocktail shrimp, next to grandma's meatballs and all that stuff, you have some Armenian string cheese and you will be
It's
surprised.
delicious.
So give it a shot. I guarantee you, you will be amazed that it is just mild, something different, something to talk about at your next party.
And
Cheers
you don't
all.
slice it a different way. You just pick it up.
Look, you just pick it up and you just...
And you put it in your mouth. It's so easy. Um.
You're making me laugh.
And delicious, and Moss loves it too.
I do.
All right, cheers all. Thank you so much for your love and support of Old School Cooks. And you know, when there's a celebration snack, that means the slots were nice too.
When there is a snack, we're here.
Cheers all.
Cheers. Enjoy.